functions, and the first topic is measurement of angles. Okay. So what is an angle? First we need to understand what is an angle. Okay, angle is nothing but what? Angle is measurement of rotation of a ray, of any ray, okay, with its initial point, okay, with its initial point, or we can say position, to its final position. Okay, okay. So let's say we have a ray, let's say we have some ray over here, OA. Let's say this is our ray OA, and then it starts rotating. Okay, it starts rotating. So let's say it starts rotating, and then first, okay, it is like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay, it start rotating. Okay, I'm rotating it. Okay, so the measurement of rotation, so let's say initially OA was like this, so this is called as initial side. Okay, and then after rotation it went till here, OB. So this OB is called as nothing but what? Terminal side, or you can also call it as what? Final side. Okay, and the measurement of rotation, okay, measurement is rotated by angle. Okay, and then that angle is nothing but you can represent it by theta, alpha, beta, gamma, whatever way you want to represent it, you can represent it. Okay, so this is ultimately nothing but angle is nothing but what? Measurement of rotation of any ray. Okay, the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side is called measure of angle. Okay, so you can, okay, you can just simply write it, okay, here, that angle is measurement of rotation of any ray with its initial side to its final position. So you can write it as point, or you can say it's side, or final position, or final side, anyway. Okay, now when we talk about measurement, okay, when we talk about measurement, okay, or measurement of rotation, rotation, then we can rotate a ray in two directions. One is what? Anti-clockwise, and another is clockwise. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is, let's say, if ray OA, okay, I can rotate it either anti-clockwise. If I'm rotating it as anti-clockwise, let's say this is anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, this is anti-clockwise rotation. Okay, then measurement of this angle. So basically this measurement will be nothing but what? Positive. So this is known as what? Positive angle. Okay.
Okay.
And if we are rotating a ray clockwise direction, so this side if we rotate, this is nothing but what? Clockwise rotation. Okay, clockwise rotation. Then this measurement, okay, is nothing but what? Negative angle. Okay, till now you have not studied concept of, till now you have only studied that 90 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. You have never thought that if I ask you to draw minus 30 degree, can you draw it? No, right? Till now you have
No.
not studied, right? So now the concept will come where we will basically study that angle could be positive or angle could be negative also. Okay, if you are rotating it anti-clockwise measurement is positive angle. Okay, clockwise is negative angle. Okay, so you can simply write anti-clockwise measurement is positive angle, anti-clockwise measurement of rotation, is nothing but what? A positive angle. You can say it is a positive angle. And clockwise rotation, or you can say measurement of clockwise rotation is negative angle, is nothing but what? negative angle. Make a note. Okay then. So taking an example, okay, taking an example of a positive and so this is, let's say, my initial side. This is my initial side. I rotated it anti-clockwise. So this is positive angle plus theta and its final side is OB. This is my terminal side. Correct. Now let's say if I have another ray OA, okay, OA, and I draw another side like this, okay. So this is my initial side OA, initial side OA, and the terminal side. Okay, so this is minus theta because it is clockwise rotation, OB. Okay, this is terminal side. Now if I ask you to draw plus 45 degree, if I ask you to draw plus 45 degree, okay, you will take your protector, okay, you will take your protector, okay, you will just draw a line, and from this particular line you will draw an angle of 45 degree. Okay, if I say plus 45 degree, so it will be plus 45 degree. Okay, if the same thing if I ask you to draw minus 45 degree, same thing if I ask you to draw minus 45 degree, again you will take an angle. If you will take a line, okay, and keeping a protector at O, okay, you will just look at the below 45 degree. So let's say below 45 degree is somewhere here. Okay, so it will be clockwise rotation. So this will be minus 45 degree. This will be minus 45 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now one more thing is, but similarly, if you try to measure it into anti-clockwise, if you try to measure this angle in anti-clockwise direction, then anti-clockwise direction will be something like this, right? Correct, which will be a reflex angle, correct? Yes or no? So that angle you can get it by how? Here it was 45 degree. So you can simply subtract 360 minus 45, correct? So you will get what? 315 degree, correct? So if you see plus side, it will be plus 315 degree. And the same angle is minus 45 degree. Okay, so till now whatever you have learned, you have always been doing this kind of angle, right? You have always been unwantedly, you have always calculated anti-clockwise rotation only. You have never calculated clockwise rotation. So you never knew that clockwise rotation is also possible. From the when you were kids, from the time you have been taught geometry, they always tell you to draw a line on your left hand side, right? You never draw a line below it, correct? Yes, so by default you have always been doing anti-clockwise only. You have never done clockwise measurement. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.